Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you are watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll show you how you can restore or load your database using PSQL command in the command prompt. This command is needed when you have to restore the database from a SQL file, that is the SQL file. Okay, so in the previous video, I had shown you how to do it for the .tar file, that is tape archive file, and .bak file, that is the backup file. In that case, we had used pg underscore restore command. So in this video, I'll show you the other way when you have SQL file to load. So I have the SQL file here, .sql in the SQL format. So first, let's create the database. So here I have created the database DVD rental. Now let's go to command prompt cmd, and as I had explained, you need to go to your bin folder where your all the executables are installed. For me, this is the location PostgreSQL 16 and then bin. Okay, so all the executables I have installed in this location. So I need to come to this location first. If I show you, here is the psql.exe. So I need to come to this location in the command prompt first to execute the psql command. Okay, so in the command prompt, if I show you cd program files, then PostgreSQL, then 16, then bin. Okay, so now we are here. Now we need to enter the PSQL command. As I can show you, here is the database name is already created, DVD rental, but this database contains no tables and no files. Okay, there is no tables, no views, and nothing is there. So I'll create the database. So let's enter the command, PSQL command. So the command is like this: PSQL first, then -h for host. For me, it's localhost. It can be an IP address or it can be a URL for you. So you need to adjust accordingly. Then -d for the database. For me, database is DVD rental, and -u for the user. For me, user is Postgres. It can be different for you as well, and -p for the port number. For me it's 5432, which is default one. And then we need to provide the database location. Okay, so this is the way how we write the database location. Let me copy it. So I need to copy this location first and slash the file name, and also don't forget to mention the file format. Okay, so this is the overall command that will be used to restore our database from a SQL file. So this is psql -h for hosting, -d for the database, -u for Postgres, and -p for the port, p for port. And then with this symbol, then we need to mention the file name along with the whole path from the local storage. Okay, now press enter. So it asked for the password for Postgres user, since we had provided here the Postgres. Let's enter the password. For me it is root. It can be different for you, so you need to adjust this accordingly. So now press enter. If I show you, the it is running now, and here if we see, the tables started creating. Let me refresh it. So all the tables and all the views are loaded. Now the data load process is in progress. So this way we can restore our database using PSQL command when we have SQL file to load into our database, into the PostgreSQL server. So please do subscribe my channel to get notifications for upcoming videos, and do like the video if the video was helpful to you and it solved your issue or problem. So in the next video, what I'll do, I'll use the command prompt to take the backup of your database. So it is required when you want to take the backup of existing database into your local system or any server location. So in the next video I'll show you how you can take backup using command prompt of your database. The SQL inserts are getting executed, that is why it's taking lots of time, but we'll wait. Okay, so after creating index and triggers, the database loading process is completed. Now we can close this command prompt and the process is complete. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.